The i-Blason Aries case is one of my more favorite style of cases because it offers 360 degrees of wraparound security. What that means is that straight out of the box, you have a comprehensive security solution that gives you a screen protector and a protective case that has mil standard drop protection, which is really nice because the phone that you're getting, the iPhone 11, is really expensive, so you want to make sure that it's protected, and the i-Blason Aries case is a great case to do that, and it comes in several different colors that you have to choose from. Want to learn more? Well, let's take a closer look at the i-Blason Aries case for the brand spanking new iPhone 11. So this part of the video has absolutely nothing to do with the case, but I was out the other day and I had the opportunity to shoot this super slow-mo video of the American flag. Looks totally cool, and I felt patriotic, so I thought I'd throw it in there. But anyway, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with the i-Blason Aries case for the upcoming iPhone 11. So you're getting a first-hand look at the brand new case for the brand new phone before it's even out yet, which is pretty cool, and thanks to i-Blason for sending these out for me to take a look at. So, like I said, the i-Blason Aries case is a wraparound 360 degree style solution for your phone. It's a traditional two-piece style case. So you have the phone tray that the phone sets in, and then it goes into place and locks into the main shell of the case, and it forms the one cohesive unit that gives you the mil standard drop protection rating, and it looks really cool. I really like this green color. They didn't have this one previously, I don't think, and if they did, I didn't get it, but I happen to think that the green looks really nice. So it's got the clear polycarbonate back on all of them. You can see through to see the beautiful phone that you have, and it's got a dust cover for the mute switch now, which also I believe is an improvement over the previous model. So it's super simple and easy to take apart. There's that little indentation on the bottom right corner there. Just use your thumbnail, or you can use a penny or a dime, a little coin, and pry it off the corner. Once you get that corner off, it all just kind of comes apart, and it's super easy. So to install it, all you have to do is put the phone inside the tray, which you don't want to put it in backwards like this. You want to make sure everything lines up properly. The volume rockers on the one side, and then the power button on the other side kind of clips and locks into place. Once you do that, you put the bottom side in first. So you see there, you've got the charging port, and then the charging port dust cover on the bottom part of the case. You want to make sure you put that in first so that everything lines up properly, and then you pop the top into place, and then you just kind of push on the sides all the way around until everything gets nice and sealed up like you see here. Now, one thing I really like about this case is that it's got really good grip on it, and it doesn't really obscure the form factor too much. It feels like a natural extension of the phone. So even though it is a protective and semi-bulky style case, it has a really natural feel to it, and it's got the dust cover on the bottom to keep any foreign debris out of your charging port, to keep that nice and protected. Unfortunately, it does make it where it's hard to plug in any connectors other than a charging cable, so there is the downside to that. You do have the dust cover there I mentioned for the mute switch, the volume buttons, which have nice responsive feedback on them, and then you've got the protective recessed cutout for your cameras set up on the back, which is really important because, one, they're really expensive, so you want to make sure that you don't scratch up your cameras, and two, like I said, you paid a whole lot of money for this, so if you got a really expensive phone like this, you want to make sure that it's nice and taken care of. In addition to the mil standard drop protection rating, you also have reinforced bumpers on the edges, and you have the raised lip all the way around the case, which allows you to place your phone down and the screen protector won't make contact with the surface, which is important. So you have the screen protector, which is great, but you also have that raised lip protection, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your screen protector. So it's kind of a one-stop shop solution, but if you do get the screen protector scratched up, then that's something you're going to have to keep with you and worry about in the future. You can't really replace it. So that is another downside, but ideally it should last for quite a long time. Now, very easy to take apart. Just like we put it together, you push on that little indentation on the bottom right corner, pop the edge off, and then you take it apart. And then here we'll do it again, rinse and repeat with the blue ones so you can see what it looks like on the phone as well. But very easy. Take the phone, put the phone in the phone tray, lock it into place, and then we'll put it into the main body of the case with the bottom side facing down first. And voila, Bob is your uncle. And then just go ahead and make sure all those sides are sealed up and you're good to go. Now, There are different colors. There's a green one here, I have the black one, and then the blue one. And I happen to think that it looks really cool. I don't know what all the colors are going to be because it's not available online yet. And there's not any pricing available, but the previous one for the iPhone XS was $25, so I probably expect it to be about similar to that. But there are some instructions that you can see on the card there that come with it if you need those in the event that you're having trouble putting the case on the phone. But hopefully I've been demonstrative enough here to help. Anyway, that's all I've got on the i-Blason Aries case for the iPhone 11. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.